Ritesh Kumar Limbacha completed B Computer Science and Engineering in 2014, joined STAD Solution online software testing training. Let's hear from him.
My name is Ritesh Limbacha. I have completed BE Computer Science and Engineering in 2014. I also completed Diploma in Computer Engineering in 2011. I belong to the hardware and networking background, and I always wanted to make my career in IT sector. So one of my friend has suggested to join the STAD Solution on the course of manual testing. They are teaching us in real-time classes and solve all the problems we are facing while doing the practicals. I have very good experience with the faculty here, and also they conduct a mock test and exam for preparation. The practical tasks are also being reviewed by them and gives the solution if any problem you are facing. During my training, I have learned about the basic to advanced concept of manual testing. I have learned to create a document like BRD, FRD, test case, test scenario, bug report, etc. I am very thankful to STAD Solution and my faculty, Shapu Madam, for giving me such as opportunity of learning these new things and to build my career. I recommended STAD Solution who want to build their career in the test field.